Most of us grew up hearing the same advice. Get a good job, save your money, and one day you'll be financially secure. But what if that advice no longer works? Think about it. You work hard, pay your bills, and save whatever is left. You're responsible. Yet many people still feel like they're falling behind. The reason is simple. In today's economy, saving money alone is rarely enough. When money sits in a regular savings account, inflation slowly reduces what that money can buy. So even while your savings grow, your purchasing power may shrink. The problem isn't you. The rules of money have changed. The old model, work for 40 years and retire comfortably, was built for a different time. Today, money can't stay idle. It either grows or it loses value. That's why it's helpful to stop thinking about money as something you only save and start thinking about it as something you allocate. Imagine dividing your income into 3 buckets. The first bucket is survival. This covers essentials like housing, food, transportation, and bills. The second bucket is freedom. This is money you invest in yourself, learning skills, starting a side business, or creating new sources of income. The third bucket is your future. This is your investment bucket, where money compounds and grows over time. And here's the key rule: pay your future first. Even a few $100s invested consistently each month can create a powerful snowball effect. At first, growth feels slow, but over time, compounding begins doing more work than you do. That's when money starts working for you instead of the other way around. The biggest obstacle isn't the economy, it's waiting to start. Because every year you delay, you lose the one asset you can never replace: time. Start building the system today and let time work in your favor.